6 to present about operating system for subject computer system organization for my lecturer, Mr. Rosmadi Bakar. My name Ahmad Mustaqim bin Baharin, 262559.
My name is Safwan bin Gezali, 261679.
My name is Hakimi Shafiqqi bin Harun, number 262588.
Okay, let's watch our presentation. Okay, first, computer information. We use the Acer. The model is Aspire ES1-531C3X8. To see the computer brand, you look at the laptop panel. Okay, next, BIOS menu. We have the system BIOS version 1.19. To see the BIOS menu, you must shut down the PC first. Step 2, press F2 button and press switch on button at the same time. Press F2 button, hold until the BIOS menu display. The system date is 21st November 2030. Next, CPU. We have Intel Celeron. The version is quad-core N3160. We have 4 threads. The speed is 1.60 GHz and 64 bit. To see the CPU information detail, first you search in the box or Cortana search box, type the task manager. Open the task manager, click performance and click CPU. Next, RAM. We have DDR3L 1600 MHz. The model is Compute RAM. The size is 4 GB and can increase until to 4 GB. We have 2 slots for RAM and the design is 204 pin SODIMM. The manufacturer from OEM. To see the RAM information detail, you search Task Manager in the search box. Step 2, open the Task Manager. Step 3, click the performance. And step 4, click memory. You can see RAM detail. Next, hard disk model. The hard disk we have ST500L T012 1DG142. The manufacturer from Seagate Technology. This memory from Memento Tin. The size is 500 GB. The speed has 5400 RPM. To see the hard disk information detail, step 1, search Task Manager in the search box or Cortana search box. Step 2, open the Task Manager. Step 3, click the performance. Step 4, click the disk. Now you can see the disk. Click this DECOG. Device driver. Okay, how to see the device driver? Step 1, search Device Manager in the search box. Step 2, open the Device Manager. Step 3, scroll to find the Device Manager for every driver. The device driver information we have for hard disk is ST500L. For DVD and CD, we have Slim Type DVD, Super Multi Double Layer Drive. For display, we have LCD 50.6 HD, Acer Kind Crystal Generic PNP monitor. For the keyboard, we have Radio Controller Standard PS2 keyboard. For mouse, we have ELAN I2C filter drive HID complement mouse. For the audio, we have Realtek High Definition Audio from Realtek Semiconductor Corporation. For the Bluetooth, we have USB model Bluetooth version 4.0 from Qualcomm Atheros Communication. For the wireless LAN standard, we have IEE 802.11 BGN. For the last, the camera, we have VGA webcam 940x480 resolution.
Task 2. Create hard disk partition. Color window OS. Any window OS format for data. Second, user setting. Create password at BIOS level. Create computer name. Create user account and create user password. Third, application and software interaction. Internet browser, Opera Mini, Office, WPS Office, device driver and Bluetooth driver. Creating hard disk partition. Step 1. Source computer management. On Predict. Click on disk management. To create new partition, right click on it and click shrink volume. Enter the MRU1 partition. Click shrink. Right click on it and click new save for volume. Click net and click net. Click net and enter the volume. Enter the value label. And click net and click finish. For the Linux partition, right click on it and click shrink volume. Enter the MRU1 partition for Linux. Click shrink. Leave it for allocated for Linux OS. For the data partition, we don't click because it has already clicked for data here. Click this bootable. Step 1. Use application UNIVERSITI USB installer. First, select the distribution. Step 2. Browse the downloader ISO and select USB drive. Step 3. Tick will FAT32 format and click create. Step 4. Wait the progress. Step 5. Close it when the progress is complete.
Okay, now we are talking about user setting, another part of task 2. Now I want to show to you how we can create password at BIOS level. So we open the computer first and press F10. And okay, this is a BIOS interface. So what I will try to change is system date. So I change to 11 and enter 21, enter 2030. Or we can change another date is 20th, and this one is 7 and 2019. Okay. We can change everything what we want. Okay, that is for dates, and I will profit for security administrator password. How we can change the password. Okay, press enter here and enter new password here. We can make our password what we want. For example, I create 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Enter. Do again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, enter and here resist. Okay, and you can see from clear it's become to sets, and how I make it become clear again. Okay, enter the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and left the new password here and confirm password. Okay, enter. Okay, so it's become clear. Okay, that's all for me for creating level password for BIOS, and we can exit here to go OS interface. Okay. Part for user setting, this is create computer name. You can create computer name during installation Windows 8.1. User need to enter computer name. For example, here I create name PC is Hakimi. Now I will present about task 2, create user account. So I will show to you example how to create user account. Click change account type here and go to create new account. Add account. Enter your no need to enter your address because you need to sign in with a Microsoft account. Click here, create local account and put your name for your account. For example, Safwan. Password 12345. Password again 12345. So this next. Okay, and finish. As you can see, yeah, there are new account here. Safwan. This is how you can create a user account. That's all for me for user account, and I will continue to how we can create a password for a user account. Okay, and now I will talk about part 2, how to create user password. Before this, I already show how to create account, user account, and now I will make user password for that. Okay, go to change account type here, click, and go to account that I already create video before this. And to click for this, and go to change the password. Put your password here. Change the password. That's how to make password for user account. For example, this user account Safwan, I already make the password here. For this account, the password is 12345. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, part 3 in task 2, application software installation. First, we install internet browser, is Opera Mini. Second, Office is WPS Office. Third, antivirus is the Avira. For the device driver, we install Bluetooth driver. Okay, to install internet browser Opera Mini, step 1, you download the browser from the Opera Mini website, double click on it and click install. Second, wait it download and install until will close automatic. 3. Office, WPS Office. Download the WPS Office from the website, double click on it and click install now. Step 2, wait it install. Step 3, after the installation finish, click on get started. Step 4, click launch WPS. To the install antivirus, you can download it from the antivirus Avira website. Step 1, download Avira antivirus. Double click on it and click accept and install. Step 2, wait it preparing installation. Step 3, click next. Step 4, if you have Avira Antivirus Pro activation code, you can enter the code. If not, just click next for free. Step 5, enter your personal details and click next. Step 6, wait installation complete. When it complete, it will close automatic. And then for the device driver, we install the Bluetooth driver. Step 1, download the driver, double click on it and install it. Step 2, wait it installation the driver. Step 3, click finish when installation completed. Okay, that's all. Thank you.